Alright, what's up YouTube? Hope you guys are having a fantastic Sunday. Today I got a quick video for you guys. I will show you 5 potential new altcoin setups that I'm watching. So let's just jump right into the charts. Alright, so this is what I'm looking at currently in terms of altcoins, right? So I just wanted to give release a quick video for you guys. Show you what I'm looking for, and I'm not going to show you any exact setups. Those will probably be shared in the Birdnest trading community, but if you know your horizontal support and resistances and your entry points, you should be good taking these trades on your own, right? And I will continue to update obviously with what I'm watching, but as this is a free video, I'm going to try to the more exclusive stuff I'm obviously going to reserve for the NAS Club members, but if you're a trader, you probably know where to enter the retest after a breakout, right? It's quite simple. And as always, if you guys like my stuff, please consider leaving a like and a subscribe. And if you have any shorting requests for me, please leave a request in the comments of this video, because I will be doing a live stream later tonight at 19:30 my time, which should be 5:30 p.m. UTC. I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah, tonight I will be doing a live stream in a couple of hours, or not a couple of hours, but some hours. So yeah, stay tuned to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna show you, some more altcoin setups and dive into some forex pairs too when I do my usual weekly forex planning. All right, so that's enough mumbling for me. Let's just show you the setups. All right, so KMD BTC. This is one I've been eyeing for quite some time, and I share this setup with one of my private students in the Nest Club, and we had the entry down here, right? Stop loss below the swing low. I think it was the swing low on the 4 hour. Yes, it is. So when placing stop loss, I like to place them below the last swing low on the 4 hour pre-breakout, which is this one, right? And this is a completely untested level, and I kind of felt like we did miss out on this area up here around 910 was my first take profit area. So I kind of felt like we were, this one was running away from us. But I do feel like this is still a pretty good entry level. It's a completely untested level on the 1 hour, right? Well, not really on the 1 hour, but this breakout down here is, and this breakout up here is on the 4 hour. So I kind of like this area here, this general area, as an entry. And in case we get front ran, I want to enter slightly above here. So take profit areas, very simple, very simple. Let's add the moving average to see if we find any confluence on the daily. Not really. We do have confluence between the 200 EMA and the 200 simple right here at the entry point. We have the daily 21 EMA crossing the 55 EMA to the upside, a good bullish signal, right? And in a couple of days, if price action stays up in this region, we will most likely see the bull cross between the 21 EMA and the 200 simple, and maybe even the 200 EMA, which is a very nice bull cross in my strategy to watch, right? So that's what I'm seeing on KMD. I do like this one. I would most likely save 25% of my, or 20% of my position open at my last take profit in case this run higher. That's KMD BTC. Now let's take a look at XMR BTC. Good old Monero. I like this one. Fundamentally a very nice project, but to be honest, I don't really care too much about fundamentals. I am a 110% TA trader. Obviously, when there's like some really big fundamental stuff, I do care, but usually it's all about the TA for me. So XMR, it kind of like, this one isn't really super clear, but it kind of looks like it wants to run, right? It wants to go up and test this area at least, and if we do reclaim that area, I do see a move up to 8,200 sats, right? So what I'm looking for right now, let's go down into the 4 hour. I would like to see this gray box here get reclaimed for a move higher. Stop loss, like I said, would be below the last swing low on the 4 hour, which is this one. So stop loss below here, entry here, take profit, save 20%, for even higher prices. Very simple, very simple. That's what I'm watching on XMR. Also notice that the take profit area should be around between the 200 simple or right on the 200 simple and the 200 EMA on the daily. See, where do we have the 21 EMA on a weekly? All right, so the 21 EMA on a weekly is confluent with the 200 simple on a daily. So some nice confluence for some take profits up here in this region. We also have ALGO BTC, another one I really like. We have reclaimed the 21 EMA on a daily. We have reclaimed the 55 EMA on a daily. We might very well see a bull cross between the 21 and the 55 EMA on the daily. Now there's two ways to play this, and I'm looking for a potential call on this one in the Birdnest community. You either enter on a reclaim of this area, that's going to be your safest entry. But if you want to maximize your profits on this one, I do really like an entry down here. This would be, you know, ideal. For stop loss, let's see, where do we have the last swing low in the 4 hour? I would like to have it down in this region, right? Where should we have the stop loss? Probably around this area. And take profit. Well, the last one is going to be all the way up here, like the previous one, for a good almost 13R trade. But like, this is the moonshot, right? This is where the moon bag is supposed to go. It's a 120% move, so it's more than 2x. You probably want to take 20% off here, 20 here, 20 here, 20 here. That leaves you with 20% with your position still open. You're gonna sell that 20% up here. That's my plan. Not really sure about this one right now. I haven't really done like this one up here. I'm 100% sure about. I'm gonna take this trade if we get a move like this, right? But this one, this entry down here, the right setup I got, it's not really clear right now. I will have to take a closer look at that one. I will most likely take a closer look at that one on tonight's stream. So the stream is going to be, it's not going to be the usual webinars we do in Birdnest. It's going to be a public stream here on my YouTube channel. All right, so like and I want to do more videos like this. I want to invite you guys into my life as a trader. I'm going to invite you guys into my process, my scans, my plans, my trading plans, my reviews, my journal, everything. I want to give you guys, you know, a glimpse into my life as a trader, how I trade, why I trade, when I trade. All right, so Chili's, I don't know, is this called Chili's? I think it's called Chili's. CHZ or CHZ BTC. Now this is one I've been eyeing for. Let's see. Well, I mean, we not really clean, and to be honest, I don't like these low sats shitcoins. To be honest, I want to trade, you know, where the chart doesn't look like. I think it's very hard to get a feeling, but this one is a bit easier, and you can kind of see how this whole area between this support and this support kind of turns into a big support level. I like that area a lot, and it kind of looks like, actually I probably like that more than the one I've already had on the chart. So let's remove that one. I do like this. I do like this. So what I'm looking for here is a move like this, basically, right? Take profit should be in this area, and all the way up here. So let's see, how big is that move? I mean, yeah, good enough, right? That's good for me. That's what I'm looking for on Chili's. As always, the specific setup I haven't really planned out right now. But you have to remember that you have some really nice confidence here with the 200 EMA, the 200 simple, the 55 EMA, and the 21 EMA on a daily, all the way back down here. So very important area to watch. Possible retrace all the way back down here. So yeah, Not really sure about this one, not really sure about the stop loss placement. You have to be really careful when you have such an obvious strong support below the support you actually want to enter. You need high time frame confirmation. I want to see a daily open and close above, let's say, 130. Let's take a look at Troy. This is going to be the last one. As I told you guys, this is just going to be a quick video, just a fast, quick video showing you 5 setups that I'm watching on Altcoins. And this is my plan going forward for this YouTube channel. I want my videos to be short and simple and quick. I just want to get the information out there. I want you guys to, in your, you probably got lots of shit to do and you're living a busy life. If you're like me, you got kids, family, all kinds of stuff to take care of. It takes a lot of time, and like me personally, I don't have the time to watch like 1 to 2 hour videos on YouTube. It's just I don't have time for that stuff. I want the most important information to just I want it quickly. It has to be time efficient. So I want to be as time efficient as possible on these videos. Yeah, speaking of time efficiency, I forgot what I was saying. Troy BTC, very simple setup here. We are inside the long RLC. You long the long RLC, you short the short RLC. Buy down here, sell up here. This is a trade I'm in. Hopefully it's a trade that's going to go well. Let's see what happens. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like this kind of stuff, please leave a subscribe and like the video. And like I said before, if you guys want me to short anything, I've already got one short request for Ethereum BTC or maybe Ethereum USDT. I'm gonna take a look at that one tonight, and if you have any short request for the tonight's stream, please leave a comment in the video. And if you have any other feedback or suggestions or anything, I'm here. All right. Thanks for joining. Take care.